Yeah, it's always a tough game when I come here or when we go to their place. It's always a very hard game for us, but we were just happy we got the win in the end. I felt we probably deserved it, looking at the whole game, but as you say, you never know. You just need that second goal, the winning goal, and then to hold out at the end.
You must be disappointed, with their goal, but you bounced back within 2 minutes to equalise.
Yeah, I think that was important. That was key. It goes through to the interval. Everyone gets a breather. The game slows down again. Then you add it again, and it's hard to get the momentum going. So it was important. It was a great finish by Deck. Set play we've been working on, getting Ryan Astlers around the back, and brilliant from Deck, alive, and scored the goal. So I think that was probably one of the biggest key moments in the game.
We can take some heart from that because there's ways to lose a game of football. I hate losing games of football. Those players and staff in there hate losing games of football. But where we lost at Cardiff Met in the first game of the season to where we are now and the way we lost today's game, there's a marked improvement, and that shows that those players are going in the right direction. And if we improve on that, we'll be absolutely fine. And obviously Tuesday gives us the next opportunity to do so.